Say when.
Is it okay?
Oh, hey y'all! Happy Sunday. I'm cooking. I got guests over here today. I'm making risotto, and down here in my pan I got shallot and clove of garlic, a little olive oil. Got that sauteed up. And I'm gonna put some. What am I doing? I'm screwing up. I'm gonna put me some arboreal rice in here. Stir that around a bit. Make me some risotto. We're just going to let this cook for a minute or two. So anyways, I got some guests over here today. I got Bologna Ring Ranch out there and Hobo Nickel, and me and Jeffie and the Hobo was just hanging out today. Drinking and swapping lies and telling stories. I get the inside duties today. I'm making risotto, and Hobo's out there. He's going to make some kind of beef outside, and Jeffy's got my Blackstone fired up. He's making some kind of mushrooms. And so that's what we're doing. This little pre-Christmas get together, and been having a good time with the guys. So let me turn this down a little bit, and I'll put me some white wine in here. Using the good stuff, straight from Australia. And we'll just let that cook down a bit. And I'm gonna have to cook this. I got my chicken stock over here heating up, and we're gonna let this cook for about 30-40 minutes. So I'm gonna keep making my risotto, standing here stirring. And notice I have the wooden spoon, no metal, so as not to irritate everybody. But I can still make friggin' noises. So I'm gonna make my risotto. I'm gonna let Terry walk out there and talk to the other two for a minute, and then see what happens. So be back in a few.
Okay, here's the guys outside. Keith's inside.
Hey Keith, you in there? Where you at?
So what you guys up to?
Well, it's wintertime. It's cold.
Yeah, no shit.
It's cold for you. You're from
Cold for
Kentucky.
me, yeah. You
I grew up in Chicago. This is like summer.
Oh no, you're like South Canada.
South Canada.
Yeah, I'm like North Florida.
I'm just getting fire going so we can cook the picana. Wagyu picana. Which will be the only third video on YouTube. And I'm just going to let Keith have it. I don't even think I'm going to film it.
Huh, well.
What you doing?
I'm just standing here, moral support.
Moral support?
Moral support.
You're
That's
not you're not cooking anything?
Well, I'm not. I just got some stuff over here heating up.
Oh. Let's see what he's got heating up over here.
Mushrooms are your favorite.
Actually, I like mushrooms anymore.
You do?
Yes.
Well, you like these because these are gooder.
I'm telling you, I'm
These are pretty good.
eating stuff I don't usually eat.
These are butter and Kentucky Yaki.
Ooh. No bourbon?
No bourbon in it.
There's some bourbon in there.
Caught me about losing my hand in the fire. There goes my sleeve.
I'll crank you out if you fall in.
Ooh, I thought it was supposed to be sunny and warm today.
They lied.
Obviously.
They did. Thanks a lot, Wayne Hart. Thanks, buddy.
Such a local weatherman.
Oh, man, you and this guy. He's all about it. You brought a whole tree with you.
No, I got it just up the road.
Oh, yeah?
Well, what's funny is I thought I went back on my GPS in the car and saw Evansville address. I'm like, well, that's got to be Keith's house. So when I was looking at the time, I'm thinking it's already figuring to get to Keith's house. So that's why I'm like 1:30. I'll be there. Well, it took me to the hotel that I stayed at last time, and I'm like, well, fuck. Now I got 15 more minutes. I got to add on to get here. So I ran into Home Depot.
Look at the marbling in it.
Yeah! Oh!
Sure, I have to make
It's like
a
me
mess
trying to
here.
open a bag in a cereal box. Here, I'll hold on to the canaf.
What did Jeffy break now?
Yeah, Jeff, what the hell?
Your heart, mister.
Barry, I hope you're filming him too.
Yeah.
Cut me a chunk off that right now. Your reserve stuff.
Your reserve stuck.
Smells like pig.
Pig? What the hell's wrong with her?
Her needs another beer.
Hers had too many beers, obviously.
Don't that pretty?
Now we gotta devein it like a shrimp.
What?
Gotta devein it like a shrimp. No?
Yes, yes, yes.
I'm staying out of that. I'm not saying anything.
I know what you're thinking though.
How many pecanas have you cooked, Keith?
I
Total.
never cooked any.
He ate a pecan one time, it was in pie form. I know what you're thinking.
Don't throw that away. Don't
I
throw
know.
that away. Put that on the edge of the cutting board.
I know
I'll
what
use
you-
that for later. We can feed me and the dog a snack later. That's the way we roll around here.
That's the only argument me and Keith ever had, is over a piece of gristle.
Yeah, he wanted my gristle and I wouldn't let him have it.
I would prefer this not be in the video. Because there's going to be a bunch of people say, oh my god, you don't know what the fuck you're doing. And I don't. I just know this shit's supposed to come on.
Well, just tell people to shut the fuck up. They ain't here.
You just look into the camera and say, fuck you.
Yeah, you ain't here. Don't worry about it.
They're just mad because they don't get
Look at all the snacks for me and the dog later.
goddamn nervous. Now I'll do my photos right there. Oh, God. I'm losing my mind, dude.
Open this thing.
Pete, I wish your meat looked like this.
I know, so do I.
It looks more like this. More like that.
It takes me 3 days of handwork to get it to red, that red.
Before you get there, you just get tired and give up.
Yeah, I ain't never got that red. Not since I was 22.
You want to put one of them, put the, it's incredible?
Huh?
You want to put one?
Whatever you want.
Dumbass.
No. It doesn't taste like salt.
I got high blood pressure, can't do that.
Have you ever tried this by itself?
It's like salt.
It doesn't taste
He
like
just
salt.
got you back. He just got you back. I wanted that.
It tastes like salt's great, but you probably have a more refined palate.
Well,
It doesn't taste like salt. It really doesn't.
now what is salt? Is that anything like cold or hot? Then my wife says, it's cold out here. Well, cold ain't enough, it's gotta be double
There
cold.
is a sodium content to it though. I can taste that.
It's fucking salt, dude. What do you think?
Well, my heart rate just went up 40
That's why I didn't do
beats.
that. I'll be seeing little animals.
That's alright. I see them every time I go to your house.
Me and Terry's gonna drink the rest of that bottle of Elijah Craig just to put up your shit.
Go ahead. Knock yourself out.
Well, that wasn't no fun. You ain't gonna argue about it.
I'm trying to focus here and remember what I'm doing, and you're not helping it in the fucking least bit.
I do my best. Yeah, see what Sheila sent me a text a while ago, and she tried to call me. Let me tell you what she said. I want y'all to understand the world I live in. Keep in mind, I have keys.
You own it now.
I have keys to the house.
I know.
She said,
What the fuck am I gonna do with this stuff, man? I don't have any Brazilian food.
I don't know. Put
Maybe
it
we'll
on
give
something
you
when
a-
you need
no,
salt.
that's-
Salt.
No, this is better than salt, man. What the fuck,
Then
dude?
use it on whatever. You're creative. Be creative.
I'm used to fucking sea salt, man.
Why are you fucking sea salt?
you can use it after your Brazilian wax.
Yeah, maybe I could.
Then hear you scream like a little bitch.
I'll do that anyway.
Here's what Sheila sent me a while ago. It says, now keep in mind, I do have a key to my house. I do.
What?
I have a
Okay.
Hey,
just
bring
bring
back
to go.
we back on, and
We just determined that Keith is an idiot.
I got my risotto done, and Jeffy's got his mushrooms in the oven because I run out of gas on the Blackstone. And Hobo here is cooking up these fine-looking steaks, and my God, these things smell amazing. Nice little campfire here we're working with, and look at these things, man. This is friggin' awesome, and it smells a whole lot more better than it looks. Trust me.
I think it looks pretty damn good to me.
Hobo don't even need tongs. He just got rubber gloves, and he just keep playing with his meat. That gets me and Jeffy excited.
Shut up. You're
That's what we're doing right now. And we'll probably be eating in a half hour or so. And we may show you a picture when we get done. And we may do some shenanigans later. Who knows? Say hi, Jeffy.
Hi, Jeffy.
Say hi, Hobo.
Howdy.
He don't know the game. So
Again, have you met the village idiot?
but we're having fun, and that's all it's about. And it's Christmas time, man. Hey, so we'll be back later when something exciting happens. Hobo cutting his meat here.
Oh.
That's a salty one?
No.
Huh?
No.
No?
The two left are the salt ones.
okay.
So that's what we're doing now. Hobo's cutting the meat. We'll make this plate here in a minute. Yummy.
This motherfucker is so spun around.
Oh, don't that pretty. And he made 4 steaks. We'll put different seasonings on each one. We'll try to figure it out as we go.
I'm trying to figure out this grain pattern here.
My gas is on. Just wait. I see it now. I got my gas is on. Oh, look at the mood.
Lots of lubrication there.
I think it rotates as it goes.
That right there is steak gravy.
I didn't make no mashed potatoes, Jeffy.
I don't need mashed potatoes. I got steak gravy.
Sop it up with pita bread.
So we're gonna cut the rest of this meat up, make us a plate, and we'll be back with some more fun stuff. Yeah. Okay, so
now. Around
we're on. I think. I think Hobo's fixing to take off, and so we're just gonna finish this short little video up. I say it's short because I don't know what Terry filmed.
None of it's you.
Did you have anything to eat today?
Red Dead, my what?
Did you have anything to eat
Hold on.
today?
Say it again.
Was it edible?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Does it look like it was edible?
Did you have a good time?
Yeah.
It's just because of meat, right?
No.
Oh. Well, then why?
Right there. Hey, Lincoln showed up.
I didn't do nothing.
Abe Lincoln showed up.
We had Hobo come down and visit us today. He sent me and Jeffie a message the other day, said he wanted to come visit. And we're like, well, hell yeah. So, that's what we did today. We hung out. I only told 2 lies, so I'm good.
One was you're not wearing pajamas.
I'm not. These are lounge pants. They're not pajamas, booger. So, anyways.
You lied too. You said there would be no pants on, which I'm good with that.
Yeah, Jeffie lied too. See?
Well, you know, there's frostbite here.
In other words, we're a bunch of liars. I had a good time today, man. I really did. I'm glad Hobo stopped in. It's good to see him again. Yeah, I had a good time. I don't know what these guys think. You can ask them.
Good time. Even Serge got a good meal.
Yes. He brought tasty meat.
Yeah.
Yeah, Hobo brought
That's what
us
she said.
She did.
Hobo did bring us some meat down, and it was some Wagyu, and we ate that. We gave Sarge a taste, and when he trimmed the beef up before we cut it, I got a bag in the icebox there. I'm gonna cook up later for me and Sarge to have a snack. Cause at that one point he was trimming it, and I was like, no, 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 no. I'm like, man, that shit looks good, man. So we're gonna have a snack with that. Anyways, 3 of us just fucking hanging out.
We met Bob Barker too.
And no, you talked about him. And you misconstrued his name.
Well, I was told. Well, the chicken wings.
You know, it's never a dull moment here. It's always fucking stupid, but we have a good time. At least I do. And so, okay, you guys talk, I'm done.
You said it all.
No. Hobo ain't said a fucking word yet.
I'm good like that.
Because you won't shut up.
That's because he's quiet.
And I get in trouble when I talk.
Oh.
But you're on my channel now, so it don't fucking matter, man. Nobody watches me.
That's our kind of people right there. I know when you talk. You like them like that.
So I want to thank both these guys for showing up. Hobo for sending us a message, say you want to come hang out with us. It's been a great fucking day, man. All I did was make risotto, so that was a piece of cake, man. Had to chop up 1 shallot, so what the fuck, man. Hobo would cook the steaks, and they were quite tasty. Terry ate and went to slept.
No, I ain't slept yet.
Slept. He's wearing pajamas.
So, we'll see y'all next time. I don't know when that's going to be. Probably next Sunday.
Shut up and tell them Merry Christmas.
Probably not without these 2, but yeah, I would like to say Merry Christmas to everybody, but I ain't doing my Christmas video tonight. Oh, anyways, in other words, y'all have a good one. I know we did. Say goodbye, Jeffie.
Goodbye, Jeffie. Happy harmonica.
Say goodbye, Hobo.
Happy Festivus.
Festivus. That's a TV Guide word.
He was on F3.
Was he?
Hey, y'all have a good one, and we'll see you next time.